my beautiful viewers. So today I'm sharing the recipe of the famous Al-Rehman Biryani. That's Karachi's Kharadar famous chicken biryani, and I'm gonna share the recipe with you. It's so tasty and so masaledar, you will love it. So let's get started. I take the one chicken, it's medium size, and I told them to do the 12 pieces, and it's little over like 1 kg, but you can say like about 3 pounds. And here I have a rice. I took 4.5 cups, and I'm gonna use the measuring cups. This is my measure cups, so this is my 4 cups, and this is my half cup. So I took 4.5 cups. I have 3 tomatoes sliced, and I have 2 potatoes. I just fried them, like it's kind of half cooked. I have cilantro, mint leaves. I have about 2 cups of fried onions. I have 12 the small green chili, the biryani ki chilies. I have 12 those. I have 1 Knorr cube, or chicken, you can use the chicken powder, maybe 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Here I have some masalas, sabut masalas, and also I have color, which I'm gonna use 2 teaspoon. And this is my zeera. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon zeera, 2 tablespoon coriander powder. I have 1.5 tablespoon red chili powder, and 1.5 teaspoon I have haldi. Here I have garam masala, 1 teaspoon garam masala. I have 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. I have 1 tablespoon Chinese salt, and Chinese salt is optional. If you don't want to use it, it's fine, you can omit that. And I have zafrani kebra, which I made it at home. I use this saffron here, saffron. So I use this one, smells so good. And basically I just took like normal kebra water. I'll show you the bottle. So this is the one I use 3 tablespoons, and I simply add 2 pinches of saffron here to make my saffron kebra. And that's the 3 tablespoons salt. And also I'm gonna add 1 to 2 teaspoon chaat masala. So simply I'm gonna put it on my this masala, chaat masala, to make it more masaledar and yummy biryani. Now I'm gonna add chicken pieces in it. The boil, I'm gonna simply add my rice in it, which I soaked in for 2 hours. So now we just add our 2 teaspoons of chaat masala on our potatoes, and this is all yummy masalas. So these are all my tomatoes. And one more thing, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. So simply we're gonna mix it. rice after 3-4 minutes has been done and it's half cooked. So I'm gonna simply just put the strainer in and take out my rice and put it aside. The half of the rice I need to take it out. You can see the half of the rice I just take it out is just 50% done. This is my rice which is 50% done. Now I'm gonna put it on dum for 5 to 10 minutes on the low flame. The final look after the 10 minutes. Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. माशाल्लाह से खुशबुएं बहुत अच्छी आ रही हैं और मैं इसको मेरे ट्रे में निकाल लेती हूँ।